What are you doing? Orange guy tastes good. That orange guy tastes good. Yummy, yummy.
Bouncer.
Yummy, yummy.
He tastes like a Cheeto. He does that way better than we could never do it.
He's like a wookie.
Are you rolling your R's?
He's like a wookie. He's making wookie noises. Say, I'm a wookie.
What's a wookie? Gunnar! What are you doing? What are you doing? You're a little comedian. He's got that sound down pat. You're silly. You're silly. He's rolling his R's.
He's making wookie sounds.